Good morning, guys. Julian's Jumpin Jeeps, and I'm doing my morning scroll on Facebook Marketplace like I do every morning. And look what I just found. Someone giving away an XJ for free. So that means I got to get my ass out of bed and go get it. Show you this description. Free, not running, no title, pretty crusty underneath, seems to have some sort of lift, pretty clean frame rails. They had me at free. Woo. It's got to pull up just a smidge, or I can just push this one back. I like this one too, though. I'm gonna have to talk to him about this one. All right, we're all loaded up. Let's get this thing back to my garage, and then I'll dig into it more when I'm not on this guy's property. But we've got some goodies. Plus, he gave me a whole leather seat front, both fronts, for a 97 to 01. The driver's ripped, but the passenger alone's worth good money too. So high output computer, engine's all here. I'm scared to shut it, but I guess let me check that latch first before I latch it, and then I'm stuck with it. Check it out. Should be okay. Oh, it's stuck on the header. Hopefully I don't regret doing that. All right, guys, it's the next day and I've got some sunlight, so now I can show you the Jeep. Let's really dig into what it came with. Switch panel, all of this has to get taken out, but couch cushion? Why do I got a couch cushion? Let's see. I will say I hope that I can find the key for these, because these are nice, but the fact that they're still on here, probably don't have the key. Some pillows. Was someone living in here? Different front seat. I mean, it's free. I'm not complaining, but let's dig in. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff. 2 sets of seats, pillows for some reason, the door cards. The plus is it's already partly stripped for me. So got a factory amp, factory ampage. Gotta get that out. Some scrap metal. The rear door cards. Dirty, but both look good. Headliner, pretty toast. But it appears all the trim up top is here. So I'm gonna pull that and get all that bundled together and listed for sale. And make sure you watch to the end, because I am gonna try to get this thing running. We're gonna throw a battery in it, see if she wants to go. I just gotta do the not fun part first and take all this garbage out. Got a kitty friend again. Meow. Well, some of the best things I found was a 10mm socket with an extension, paperwork. He told me he knew the dude, but this just verifies it, because this is last registration, insurance, everything. Said it was his buddy that moved out the country and just didn't want to deal with getting a title. Other item that I figured I'd open up on camera is this. I just opened up the box. Assuming he got it off of eBay. Got eBay tape. I don't think this is for a Cherokee. What is this? Oh. I'll tell you where it will be going. Right back on eBay. And at a part number right there. So easy to list. This is what we got. Let's throw a battery in it. Let me put this stuff away because it's getting dark. Put this stuff away, get a battery, and I'm gonna try to start it. Bottom of the seat's toast. This'll sell. Top actually, nah. Last inspection in this thing was from 2022, so it's been some time. Just threw a battery in. On there nice and tight. See if we got power to the inside. We're gonna start. Can we get so lucky? I don't got a dash to look at. I mean, I could plug one in, but fix the battery terminal. Try again. We're cranking. Let's give it a little starter fluid. Got my starter fluid. Let's spray it down the see what happens. Huh. Well, it appears we don't have spark, because it should have started on the starter fluid. If it did, the cap and rotor is probably bad with how long it's been sitting. Wouldn't be surprised. The engine's got like 200 to 220 something. I'll see if I can find that paperwork again, but I found paperwork in here that said everything. I don't know what I did with it. Yeah, I'm not sure what I did with it right now, but that's all she wrote for the free Jeep, because she's gonna get parted out. If you need any of these parts, let me know, comment below. Transmission and transfer case should be good. Those will be cheap just because those ones will have higher mileage. Axle on this one I believe is already sold. And if you want to see the rest of these built, or if you need parts for them, like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in, because sometimes we buy them, sometimes we get them for free.